Hi, everyone. I'm Alex Ishtanian, and I work at PS24, helping out on our school assemblies and school shows. Puretek came in, and to me, they're a blessing. Our school asked them to help us get the right lighting equipment, and they were able to provide us with the lights, the lighting board, and the training that goes with it. And the training has been especially awesome. Lori's been fantastic. She's training me, but when I run into any kind of issue, she also kind of jump starts me, and she said, makes a suggestion even for a cue if she happens to be here during showtime. And she's actually made some incredible suggestions that we put to use that made the show come to life.
My name is Christopher Taylor. I'm a teacher here at School 24. I teach special education grades 6 to 8, and I've been teaching for over 20 years. I always try to get involved with the performances and programs here. So I wanted to be involved so that way I could be an extra hand to whenever it's necessary that we need somebody to help out with the lights. And the lights are great. They're beautiful. I like the system. The training was excellent. I learned how to use the backlight, the stage pit light, everything. So I really enjoyed it.
I just found them awesome, and they're willing to train as many people in the school that want to get involved. Even if your position is not theater, but you kind of want to back up the theater department, and you are able to fit it in your schedule, they'll help you learn the board as well.